How to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs 2025 update. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. If you search for a song, but only a few songs appear or some popular songs are missing, don't worry, there are several simple fixes you can try. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Let's go step by step. Number 1. Switch your account type. One of the biggest reasons this happens is your account type. If you're using a business account, Instagram may limit the music library because of copyright licensing rules. Switching to a personal or creator account often restores access to more songs. Steps. Go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Select Account Type and Tools. Tap Switch Account Type. Choose Personal Account. Number 2. Update the Instagram app. Sometimes the problem happens because the app is outdated. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Instagram. If you see an Update button, install the latest version. New updates often add new songs and fix bugs. Number 3. Clear Instagram cache on Android. Corrupted cache files can stop the music library from loading properly. Steps. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Tap Instagram. Tap Storage. Select Clear Cache. This removes temporary data but does not delete your account. Number 4. Log out and log back in. Sometimes the issue is caused by a temporary account glitch. Simply log out of Instagram, close the app, and then log back in again. This refreshes your account data and may restore the music library. Number 5. Check your internet connection. Instagram loads music directly from its servers. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, some songs may not appear in the search results. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Number 6. Reinstall the Instagram app. If nothing works, uninstall the Instagram app and install it again. Reinstalling removes corrupted files that may cause the music feature to malfunction. Important note: some songs may still not appear because of region restrictions or music licensing rules, meaning certain tracks are only available in specific countries. Final result? After following these steps, your Instagram music library should show more songs and trending audio again.